Hello and welcome back to another video where I try and teach myself something and at the same time teach you guys something. We're keeping up the CSS battle daily streak today, and as always the link to the playlist will be in the description below. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. Okay, so getting into today's video, we've got the orange background and what looks like a rectangle shape with maybe like a circle and then a bar going through the center. So we're going to try and create 3 divs for that. One with a class of R for rectangle, and then let me copy and paste that, and we'll do C for circle and B for bar. Let's set the body as we always do with a background. Display flex and align everything to the center. Now we can target .r here. We're not going to have a background color on this one. We'll keep it like that for now. Let's set the width to 200. Let's try 250. Here we go. Then we can set a border of 15 pixels solid. And let's see where we are on that. Okay, not far off. Width might need to be a little bit more, and the border needs to be maybe 20. Yes. Try the width as 260. Here we go. And let's copy and paste that color to the border. There we go. Now we can get rid of the background color as well. Now we'll target the circle and the bar, and we can set position to absolute here. Then we target the circle. We can set the height to be 140 and width of also 140, and border radius of 50%. And a background of the orange. And I forgot the comma between the .c and .b. And the circle is going to need to be a little bit bigger, so let's try 160 with a width of 160. Let's try 180, I think. 180. That's pretty close. Pretty good. That's bang on, I think. And then let's go with a .b. Height is going to be 20 pixels and width is going to be 260 pixels. And let's give it a background of white so we can see it. And there we go. Easy as that. It's actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Let's submit that and see what score we get. Perfect, 100% match. There we go, guys. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.